Welcome back, students. Let us continue with the next chapter of value education. Now, students, you all must be having many friends. Yes, but out of that, one of them must be your best friend with whom you like to share everything. Yes, so today let us learn one such story of a friend, that is in the chapter 6, Love of a Friend. Now here in this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was a great saint of Bengal. Now great saint means he was a very respectful person. Now his childhood name was Gauranga. He had a good friend named Raghunath when he was studying at the Gurukula. Their guru was Vasudeva Sarvabhauma, and both were very good students and so favorites of their gurus. That is, as both the students, they were very good in studies as well as their behavior wise also. So they were also favorites of their guru. Now Chaitanya and Raghunatha had mastered the subject logic. Now what is logic? Logic is where you study, that is a study of reasoning or argumentation. That is, in our life we usually find many reasons all the time. Yes, so logic helps us to find out what is right and what is wrong. So logic is a study of reasoning or argumentation. Now when education was complete, Guru Sarvabhauma gave permission to all the boys to return home and enter the household life. That is, after the education was complete, they were asked to go to their house. Now here Raghunatha devoted all his time to the study of logic. That is he focused only on that particular devoting your time. That is, he used to study all the time, that is logic. So he devoted all his time in the study of logic. That is, he focused on one particular thing, that is in the study of logic, and gave lectures in the courts of great kings. Yes, and after he mastered in that particular subject, he started giving lectures in the courts of great kings. Now Chaitanya got immersed in love and devotion towards Lord Krishna. Though Chaitanya also was good in studies, but he got immersed. That is, immersed means to involve yourself completely. Yes, in love, and devotion means to love somebody from the deep of your heart. So Chaitanya was completely immersed in love and devotion towards Lord Krishna. Now he did meditation and sang the Lord's glories all the time. Yes. And then after many years, that is, Chaitanya and Raghunatha met each other one afternoon at the river bank. So after many years, these two friends, they meet each other. They climbed into the same boat to cross the river and sat next to each other. After that, they start talking with each other. Now, how are you, brother Raghunath? Fine. How about you? Yes. Now, both asked about the welfare to the other. That is, Chaitanya and Raghunath. They started asking about each other's health. What have you been doing all these years? Many things. Here, have a look at my book on logic. So both of them, they started sharing on what they did all these years. Now Chaitanya and Raghunath talked for a while. Then Chaitanya gave Raghunath his book. After seeing Chaitanya's book, Raghunath, he just starts thinking, this is an amazing piece of writing. Raghunath took the book and read a little. Being himself a scholar, he was surprised to see the original work of Chaitanya. Now, after seeing the Chaitanya's work, Raghunath, he gets a little depressed. Then Raghunath dearly wished to become the greatest scholar in logic in the world. Now Raghunath, as he was a great scholar also, he wanted to be one of the greatest scholar in logic. But after seeing Chaitanya's work, what did he think? He started thinking, my work will not be cared for once people come to know of Chaitanya's work. After seeing Chaitanya's work, he started feeling that no one will care for me. That is, my work will not be cared once people start seeing Chaitanya's work. Thinking that if people read Chaitanya's book, his work in logic will not be recognized. Recognized means he thought that no one will, to know somebody, no one will recognize me. Only Chaitanya's work will be appreciated. Raghunath became sad. Tears fell from his eyes. He could not control himself, so he started crying. Now Chaitanya saw this and asked, "What is this, Raghunath? Why do I see tears in your eyes? What is wrong? Tell me. Let me see if I can solve it." Chaitanya comes to know about Raghunath's problem. Raghunath did not hide anything from his friend. As both were good friends, he did not hide anything from his friend. Dear friend Chaitanya, I had the wish of becoming a great scholar, but your work is matchless, simply brilliant. Now my wish will not be fulfilled. He just told what he felt to Chaitanya. Raghunath told Chaitanya everything truthfully. He told Chaitanya his wish and also that Chaitanya's work cannot be matched by anyone in the world. However, Chaitanya was moved by great love for his friend. So what does he do? Chaitanya said, "Is that all? Is this what makes you sad? Come, give me the book and I shall remove your worries." Now seeing Raghunath's tears, seeing his feelings, Chaitanya was ready to do anything for his friend. And at last, what does he do? And within a moment, even before Raghunath could realize anything, Chaitanya threw the book into the river. And why did he throw? Because he wanted Raghunath to become a great scholar. He sacrificed everything, all his work for his friend Raghunath. Raghunath was shocked. He asked, "Why did you do that?" Chaitanya's reply was, "I shall do anything for the happiness of my friend." From that day onwards, Raghunath's book named Didi became the greatest book on logic. And it is all because of Chaitanya he became a great scholar. Yes, students. Now what is the moral? Moral of the story is always love your friend as your own self. If you love your friend also will love you. He will also do anything for you. Always distribute your love to people, and remember that always distribute your love to people in and around you and make them joyful and lovable. Let it be your friends, your parents, your elders, anyone. Okay? Always distribute your love to people in and around you and make them joyful and lovable. Now students, what you have to do is you have to read this story and find the answers to these questions. Okay? And one of the two activities, that is, if you are a good friend, tick the points you feel important in your friend and cross those you feel it is not. And the second activity is, what you have to do is you have to write about your best friend. That is, what are his qualities, how do you help each other. So you have to just in 6 to 7 lines you can write about your best friend. So go through the story and find the answers for the questions. So meet you in the next class. Till then, thank you students and have a good day.